Figaro. My section is S3D. OS a state of being certain the exposure to workplace condition will not cause adverse effect to the well-being of a worker in terms of injury and illness. Developing a safety conscious habit wherever you are, whatever you do, think of safety first. That I think of safety first before starting anything. Hazard is a potential source of harm, adverse health effect on a person. A. Safety hazard, something that has potential for journey. B. Hazard, something that has potential of illness, unsafe act, and unsafe condition. 4. Cause of accident. Accidents are caused by unsafe act, unsafe condition, combination of unsafe act and unsafe condition. Human factors such as careless figure, lack of training, and unsafe and act any human action that commonly accepted work procedures. Unsafe unsafe condition, physical or chemical property of materials, machine, the environment which could result in injury to a person, damage, destruction to property, on the other terms of losses, personal safety, checklist, awareness of surroundings. The first and most important step forward personal safety and shape is to be aware your surrounding, evaluation of risks, surety of suspicion, check the extent of harm of any kind, accident and particular are cause, UFR, suspension, particular procedure involvement, the job might lead to an unfavorable outcome, stop right their works on risk before working on the job, eliminate or minimize as any hazard as possible from your workplace before carrying out a side job, checking your personal protective equipment PPE, ensure that you are using the right personal safety equipment and required by the job. Escape route in the last resort, you will weak in case all measure to curtail an accident file. 8. How addiction develops. Drugs addiction develops throughout the following stages: experimentation, trying drugs out of curiosity, first pressure, regular case using drugs, dependence, needing drugs to function normally, addiction, loss of control, and continue use despite harmful consequence.